In order to make treating people with radiation safer, you try to spare the collateral damage and focus in on the tumor as much as possible. CyberKnife is probably one of the leading, if not the leading, type of technology in the world to be able to do that.
And looking at CyberKnife as a specific option, I think it's really the cutting edge of technology when it comes to radiation oncology. Conventional radiation typically takes 42 treatments, 2 months, 2 days to deliver the radiation in small doses, 180 to 200 rads a day. At CyberKnife, we can perform the same treatment with similar outcome in 5 treatments. Each treatment is 750 rads, so that's almost the equivalent of what we would deliver in 1 week in a standard form we do in 45 minutes here at the CyberKnife.
The fact that we can decrease the amount of time and the number of treatments that somebody has to endure, we allow them the ability to get on with their life and do the things that they want to do.
If a family of mine was diagnosed with cancer, which I have had personally, I would refer them here to CyberKnife. The side effects with CyberKnife are far less than traditional radiation or, of course, surgery. The physicians are great here. They explain everything to the patients with the treatment. We're with them the whole step of the way through all their treatments and follow-ups.
It's a very collaborative procedure where you're working with the radiation oncologist, a neurosurgeon many times, pulmonary specialists, and physicists. Often when there's a diagnosis of cancer, there's some things that go along with that. They might need help finding lodging when they come into town, or with meal preparation, or with transportation issues. And so my role is to help find those resources for them or help set them up with those resources to ease the process when they're coming through CyberKnife.
Really, treating cancer is a complete team approach, and we're blessed with the staff we have, and that's critically important because it's not just treating the cancer, it's sort of treating the whole patient.
We're always here for our patients. They're not just a number. They're a patient to us, and we care about them.
So in looking for this technology, the Austin CyberKnife is the one dedicated freestanding facility for CyberKnife treatment in the Central Texas area.
Austin CyberKnife is located on I-35. Call them at 512-324-8060 or go to austincyberknife.com.